know, Della.
有时候我觉得自己像一只小小鸟，想要飞，却怎么样也飞不高。也许有一天我栖身了枝头，却成为猎人的目标。我飞上了青天，才发现自己从此无依无靠。
So far, I like the way she uses different thicknesses or registrations to bring this song to life. Not in a way like, say, Yichun, but more drastic, where an entire line sits one place and then the next line sits in a thinner place. Thick and thin like this. This is beautiful control. Beautiful texture.
每次当我闭上眼睛的时候，我总是睡不着。我怀疑是不是只有我的明天没有变得更好。
Speechy yelly, and the ends of the line are thin.
未来会怎样？究竟有谁会知道？幸福是否只是一种传说？我永远都找不到。我是一只小小小小鸟，想要飞呀飞，却飞也飞不高。
Della, girl, you're wild. You're out there. This is wonderful. This is a bold vocal performance. Okay, I want to explore something quickly. I said that she's using register changes unlike each one, but I want to kind of revisit that statement. She is doing some words or syllables that switch into a softer place. But I guess it feels very different than each one because this style of, like, this genre of singing is just so different than each one. But this, both are very effective. It's repetitive. That's a register change. I like her expression on her face. Okay, I'm curious what Jess will do. This, Della, I believe is her name, she mixed that in order to get thick and juicy and belty on that high note. That is a thinner mix. And I have a feeling that Jess will do also a thinner mix, but I think she might go to a thinner mix sooner based on her preference.